Welcome to Study Loop.
This is chapter 37, problem number 10. We have a meter stick. The length of the meter stick is given to us as it's moving at a very high speed. So it's 0.3048 meters. And its proper length, meaning the length at rest, is L naught. It's a meter stick, so it's a meter long. And we are asked to calculate what speed the meter stick is moving relative to us. Now, as you know, the equation that we have for the length that we have at motion with respect to the length that is at rest is all we need to do is divide the length at rest by gamma factor here. Gamma factor is going to be 1 over square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared, the speed relative to the speed of light, right? So all we need to do is actually isolate this v out of that equation. Now going back here, then L over L naught is going to give us 1 over gamma. And if you look at this expression, then from here, 1 over gamma is going to be 1 minus v squared over c squared. So we can put that here, 1 minus v squared over c squared. Now, what we need to do, we need to get rid of the square root. So let's square both sides of this equation. So we're going to have L over L naught squared equals to 1 minus v squared over c squared. Now we want to isolate this term where we have v. So v squared over c squared is going to be 1 minus L over L naught squared. Right. Now if you multiply both of these sides by c squared, these are going to cancel out, and we're going to have a c squared on the other side. And here, let me do it step by step. V squared is going to be 1 minus L over L naught squared times c squared. Now we're going to take the square root of both sides. From here, v is going to be equal to square root of 1 minus L over L naught, the square of this entire term. And we can take c out of the square root, right? And write it like that. All we need to do is plug in for L and L naught in this equation, and for the speed of light, it's 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. Of course, for L, we're going to put 0.3048, and for L naught, it's 1. So when we do the calculation, let's put it here. Velocity is, the speed is actually 0.952 times c. When you plug it in for c, the answer would be 2.86 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. So very, very close to the speed of light.